Hello, welcome back to Feral Art. How you doing? Today we are doing what is known around here as Round Up the Wild Ones Day. I have so many leftovers, and they are mixtures of so many different colors that all that's going to be in my description box is colors, leftovers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cups sitting here. I have a 16 by 20 value pack fancy canvas to work on. I haven't done anything to it except tape the back. This will probably be my masterpiece. Watch. Anyway, so we're just gonna round up the wild ones, and kind of see what happens. Because I don't like to just not use my leftovers. I like to put them to a use, and at this point there are so many leftovers from so many batches of stuff that I don't even know anymore, what anything's mixed with. I don't know what the colors are. At one point I probably had them all labeled, but since then I have used them and remixed them and this, that, and the other thing until it's just kind of pathetic. So we're gonna see what we can use and go from there. Okay. So I have some kind of Naples yellow, some kind of iridescent blue, green, blue, whatever, mixed with whatever. I have some sky blue, I have some bright green, I have some bright red, I have some probably brulee, some kind of bronze color, some sort of orange, and some kind of burgundy. So let's just go down on the canvas and we'll layer our cup and do our thing. This right down into this because it's not very dirty, but that's okay. Just because I'm tired of having all this crap everywhere. I have this lovely cup of drips for my flow extender. Here's our cup, and here we go. we're just going to take these drips, which are a really weird bronzy, coppery, black mixture. We're going to go around the outside. Well, we got it going, I guess. Kind of scary looking. I like being scared a little. I'm ready. And I guess a little tilty tilt. I'm not real fond of that orange, so as long as we're all on the same page here. I'm going to go up toward that corner. And back to the middle. Now we're going to go toward that corner. And back to the middle. Now we're going to go down toward this corner. I know I'm supposed to be flipping this around. Kind of hard to do when you're with tuck in one. Go down that way. And back. And over this way. And back. Okay. First place I'm going to go is over that corner by you. Calm down. And back. And go down to that corner. And back. I think we are done. Here we have the wet results from our leftovers straight pour. I think it came out pretty cool. I love the transparency of these fingerlings. I think that is really cool. This little area where's my finger? Right here. You know, it is what it is. But this is a small price to pay for these fingerlings, I think. I think the colors are very well represented. I'm surprised and delighted that they came out like they did. You know, you don't ever know when you throw a bunch of leftovers in a cup. But I think this one turned out pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. Cannot tell you what my colors were, but you know, there you go. Here we go with our flash. This has gotten to be kind of a habit, but I never get tired of it. See all the sparklies and where they ended up and how they ended up and all that good stuff. Really pretty. Really sparkly. Look at that. So pretty. I know I'm supposed to go slower. I'm about tired of being on this ladder though. Look at those colors. Look at the meld of them. I'm really loving that. And I love this area. This area right here is probably my favorite in the whole thing. But everything. I really, for the most part, you know, I really like it. I love the way these colors played. Look at that. So cool. So cool. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. And the little lines in this dark area are pretty cool, too. So pretty. So pretty. There we go. There we go. I'll be back hopefully with some dried results. And here we have the dryish results of our 2 a.m. Galaxy Diner. I wanted to call it garbage plate. Mina said, don't put garbage in your title. They'll think wrong. I said, oh, that's right. Anyway, I think this one turned out really nice. For something that I had zero expectations of course, because that's how it always works. I think she is ridiculously pretty. I love the vibrancy of it. I love the lines. I love the colors. I love the cells. I love these fingerlings. Look at them. Look at them. Pay no attention to the people driving by or building the driveway across the street. Anyway, I think she's really pretty, really vibrant. I love the transparency of the fingerlings, the lines, the cells, the colors, all of it. I love it. I love it. Write that one down in your books, folks. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and thanks for always being so supportive and wonderful. Y'all have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you later.